it. Light tends to make it pop. It depends on the angle, the light that is reflected on that particular object. But what I find about wave to be a fascinating phenomenon in art, not just wave. I have this infatuation, really have an infatuation for translucency, transparency, a translucent art. Things like you could see through, like glass, reflective plates, mirrors, or spoons. Spoons have multiple reflections, and I find that to be an intriguing phenomenon. You have to begin to draw things that reflect. You have to draw an eye drop. An eye drop is a transparent form, but technically the color of the transparency is really a byproduct of the object, right? The object that the object that the water is cascading from. It's cascading from rocks. Technically the water is transparent, but on a two-dimensional surface we have to use the color that the water is cascading from. If it's cascading down rocks, it will be the color of the rocks. So you need a mild version of the color of the rock itself. You need to convert that into values, and then you need to change that color to match. The water now has to have a light variation of the actual rock color itself to give that. It's how it is. To articulate this theoretically, you have to go into a lot of details. Like you have to understand how many shades of white to use, how many shades